An element of all the great cities of Australia is a piece of Harry Seidler architecture. We're very fortunate here in Surry Hills to have such an example. You think in all the capital cities of Australia, they all have a monument to Seidler's work. This city, as his muse, probably has the greatest number, but this is a particularly interesting one. This is also the home to Woolies X. When we think about Woolworths, our regular supermarket, they're headquartered out in Bella Vista in Western Sydney. When they were looking to really drive innovation in their business, particularly in the technology stack that they bring, they needed to do that differently. And so being here in Surry Hills as part of Tech Central was a really critical part of how they go about attracting and keeping the kind of innovators that make them stand out as the leader, the technical leader in their space. And that's been a driver for why you're continuing to see companies choose Tech Central as the place to build, because of the talent that you can attract here. You're at the center of Sydney's transport infrastructure. You've got 1 million people in a 30-minute commute from this spot. That plays a huge role in being able to keep and attract amazing people in your business. Now we're going to keep heading up and around the corner. Tell a story about one of the longest standing businesses in this neighborhood.